Middle school students are very active and social by nature. So to use these qualities of students, I've designed my classroom and activities to embrace the qualities of middle schoolers. Taking advantage of our small class sizes, I'm able to organize the classroom into small group work. Best practices of challenging students with rigor and quality tasks may be met during teacher time, where a small group of students will work directly with me. Other students at that time may be practicing important math skills, such as computing with negative integers, a skill that everybody needs to learn. Then there could be another group working on problem solving. Those students could be working in a partnership or a small group on problems that are more challenging, and working with a peer may help them to reach those goals. By personalizing this work, I'm better able to meet student needs. Another important part of middle school students' activities are connections to the real world. Students will often ask, why do I need this? When will I ever use this? And a couple of activities come to mind that we've included this year. Sports includes a lot of mathematics, so we took the children outside to play cornhole. The students were keeping score, which is a math skill, but to make it more interesting, we collected data to support our basic statistics unit. Students measured the distances of their tosses, which is a measuring skill, and then had to calculate averages of their tosses. This provided data in a more fun way than just numbers out of a book or numbers that I would just generate. Instead, it was authentic data. And we were outside, which the kids really enjoyed. This was, again, a fun and engaging way to include the skills of measurement, the estimating skills, being outside, and being active, all of which middle schoolers enjoy.